Welcome to the Letters and Letter Sounds portion of our WBI. Before students can really learn to read and write, they have to be comfortable with letters and the sounds they make. To get started, let's go to some helpful hints. When introducing letters, show the capital and lowercase letters. This way it's not as if the students have to learn two sets of letters. It's also helpful to show fancy letters because those will be the letters that they see in text when they're reading books and working on the computer. Don't add the sound to letter sounds. For example, N does not say N, it says N, and L says L, not L. If you're worried that it's going to be overwhelming trying to teach your child the name of the letter and the sound it makes, the letter sound is going to be more important than the name. It's the part they need to know to read and write. While most of us know the sounds that letters make, I'm going to go through each letter and make it sound in case you have any questions. A says A, B says B, C is K, D says D, E says for its short sound and E for its long sound. F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I for its short sound and I for its long sound. J says J, K is K, L says L, M is M, N says N, O says A, P is P, Q says Qu, R is S, S, T says T, U is for its short sound and U for its long sound. V says V, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, and Z says Z. Kids often learn well through music and songs. Two really great children's artists are Dr. Jean and Jack Hartman. Both have websites where you can order CDs and other learning materials, and they also offer free videos on YouTube. Their websites are listed below.